Good afternoon mga moms. So ayan, ngayon nandito na kami sa homestay dito sa Sapa, doon sa mga village na mga local dito. So it's more like parang nasa Banawi Rice Terraces sa Philippines. Yung kanilang konsepto ng village nila, no? And ngayon dito kami magla-lunch. Ayan. Ay, papakita natin baliktad. Yan. The Sapa May Homestay. So, because most of the time I took a video and okay, let's put it here.
Oh, very organized.
See? 1, 2, ready, and can you have your phone?
Thank you.
Your phone already.
Is it okay? We're going to put it in our page.
Yeah.
Oh. Ready, 1, 2. CJ, closer, please. How about yours?
Instagram.
Hishi blabber. Hishi. It's up to you how to Yeah. Thank you. Hishi eat everything. Everything. Yung vlogs mo. Nandito na natin. Para while we're eating. Hi Ken. Uy, si Ken.
Hi.
One of our member is also watching.
We miss you here.
Eskimo poodle / tupa. I look like a sheep. Oh, veggie. I like veggie.
Uy, no leftover.
No leftover.
You will pay.
No leftover, so we're going to get the unit as a souvenir.
My God.
Yung mga Pilipino talaga, no? Oh, arbor na to ha, souvenir. Oh, you eat small there in your side. Here, oh.
No more. Hindi pa naglakan niya.
Si Jay, kumain ka, subuan mo. Si CJ na susubuan niya na yan. Alalala.
Padala mo natin dito. Ang hina nila kumain.
You want help?
You have clean plates here, oh.
No, we're just hungry. Chef, are you done?
Chef, did you eat? Yeah, I already ate. I already eat.
Your kids, what about them? Where are they?
In Philippines, they don't like, our kids should be clean.
Your kids, where are they?
No leftover. Or else you get
Your
spanking from your
kids.
mom.
Oh,
Your kids. Your baby. Where?
study at home. They're going home. There's a break time. Small wallet for you later.
Da?
Small wallet. Small wallet.
Voulez vous coucher avec moi?
Wallet.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? You know that song? Next time you should sing with me.
The small wallet.
When you go to the Philippines, I will tour you.
Okay.
She eat a singer.
I'm a singer, blogger, / makeup artist, host event, / tour guide, waitress at the evening. That's why I know how to serve. I know how to clean dishes. They are my bosses. So they join me.
So how are you lunch?
Good.
Very nice.
Very good.
We need more. No, our friend from Philippines wants the Vietnam rice.
Okay.
Oh, you know Sharon? You know Sharon? Naku, malulubat na. In the Philippines, when you didn't finish the food, you can take it out. Or call it Sharon.
Okay.
Take away.
Yeah, take away.
You can take it away together with the utensils. As the souvenir. Palubat na po tayo mga mamshi. Ilaban nyo yan. YouTube channel, Mamshi G, puntahan nyo. Andun yung travel namin from Philippines to Hanoi.
Now I keep her here. Her stay with me.
Ah!
I found on the very handsome boy to her.
Oh!
Her stay with
Bugaw
me
pala
and
si
my
Sil.
family.
Your
next time you come here, you can stay with her and me, her
Yes.
house and my house.
I will post your number to
Okay.
my blog, so they will
Yes.
contact you when they go here.
Okay.
Then you will give me commission, okay?
Okay.
Negosyo, business pa rin. Still a business. No, we will recommend you to all the Filipinos.
Okay.
So when they visit Vietnam, they will find you.
Okay.
Can you join us in Hanoi? No?
I never been to Hanoi. I don't know.
Why?
I never ever been to Hanoi. I always stay here.
You want to go to Hanoi?
No, maybe I go with you tonight.
She wanted me to stay here so I can meet a guy because I'm single for 11 years. I just want to promote I'm single.
Bye bye. Her staying
Don't kidnap me, huh? I will look for a boyfriend. Vietnamese is all handsome. I've seen a lot of boys here. They're all cute. Some of them are hot. I scouted last night. I think it's too expensive. In the Philippines, your man, we are millionaire already here. Yes. Here in Vietnam, we are millionaire. I have 2,407,000. In Philippines, that is only 5,000.
But in US, only $100.
Really? You oh! We have our foreign friends. Actually, I have friends from Ireland. I have some Filipino followers from Ireland. Yeah, in Saudi Arabia, in Bahrain.
International.
Yes, we are internationally renowned. Ambisyosa. So hopefully in Ireland we conquer your mountains. Because in Ireland there are a lot of Irish.
Irish people.
Irish because they're from Ireland. Right? So I want also to look for an Irish guy. For our blue eyes, like yours. Do you have some friends? You should
I invite you for young girls.
younger, no children.
No, not small.
Okay. No small because I'm also small. Younger age.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't want to be a nanny. I want to be a wife, slash husband also. It's up to him what he likes. But I know everything about household. I can clean, I can wash, I can cook, and I can, packaging. Packaging. Packaging of the package. Rated SPG. Are we going? Oh, so sad.
Okay, see you later. What time?
I show you the room.
Oh, first, yeah. Bye.
No, bye-bye.
Are you on Instagram?
I have my Facebook page. We have our Facebook page. This is spelled as...
Sige.
I have my Netflix. This one.
Mom, she.
Mom Shiji. I have an Irish follower. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy.
It'll be quiet without G.
There's a G.
Oh, sorry, I'm on video. Sorry, hold on. Sorry.
We'll be waiting for the Irish.
Oh, you promised me. Yeah, you have witnessed.
Now. Don't be them.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Safe journey.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you guys. Pasado yung English ko. Uy, ano ba? Mga marshmallow ba tayo? See you later, Hanoi. I love you.